I don't see no pretty colors yet.
I think you're supposed to lay it flat.
Just let's throw it in there with the flames.
Go do the other one. And put it where all the flames are, where you can see it.
We don't want to do two of them.
You put it where there's no flames.
We want to save it for tomorrow night.
Are we gonna have it? We can buy. I'll buy another one tomorrow.
You got a credit card?
Yeah.
Debit card's in my name.
Oh, nice.
They won't let her have a debit card because she's under 18.
Go get you a dress. Go to Dillard's and buy you a dress. And don't forget to stop at the makeup counter.
It's my money. It's her name on the card.
It's her money. It's just my name's on my card. It's her checking account. It's just the name. The card's in my name. It's her money. Silly.
It didn't work like it was supposed to.